Welcome to Heeksunt Drakon, here be dragons. So, are you having issues with a computer, a phone, some other tech device, or are you trying to find a solution that takes care of just a annoying issue in your life? Well, jump down in those comments and lay it out, be as detailed as possible, and if I can offer some form of good input or even solve your issue, I'll make a response video that hopefully lays out exactly what to do. um, I've been doing this on a lower end basis, and I've gotten a couple of videos up on TikTok so far. Now, I had to put them up on TikTok because they violated the YouTube terms of service, which is why I stopped making videos for a bit, because I racked up 2 TOS violations doing videos on legally questionable software. So I had to stop for a while. But, this time I'm going to go again, and I am, we're going to keep the legally questionable stuff on TikTok and the legit stuff over here on YouTube. So hopefully I can help you guys out. And the reason I'm doing this is, well, because I do love tech work. I've been doing it for, I'd say, about 30 years now. I got started in the early 90s when I built my first computer. I think that was about 93 or so. It was a little 46DX. Anyways, I've been trying to come up with, what kind of content to put out, but I don't want to recreate more content that's already out there. So this is the best way to start coming up with topics that you guys will enjoy. So, like I said, get in those comments and start asking questions. Lay it out as good as you can. And, if I need more info, I will reach out to you, and hopefully, start getting some answers out to you pretty soon, maybe in the next week or two. And keep checking back, as I do have some videos upcoming, including one coming out today on cryogenics. Anyways, have a great day.